Hey everyone, me Kevin here. It is a very early Monday morning, April 5th, and I just got a notification that Goldman Sachs is officially declaring that higher interest rates are being priced in, and because of this, or have been priced in, that's the big news, that higher interest rates have been priced in, and because of that, Goldman is calling it quits on dollar shorts, because when you short the dollar, you want the dollar to go down, but if they're saying that rates are priced in, and more people are flooding into the dollar strengthens and the price goes up. So it's kind of like, okay, we're done shorting something that's going up because that's a money losing bet. But the rationale they're giving for that is we don't think rates are going to rise anymore, which could potentially mean that people wait before buying bonds. Big, long, and short of that story is that headline from Goldman saying essentially that Goldman believes that higher interest rates are priced in is a big deal. This is a very big deal, and we're going to go ahead and look at pre-market futures here right now. But yeah, here it is. Daybreak, Fed rate hike priced in. Goldman closes dollar shorts. This is very, very, very good. We've got, well, let's see here. Just make sure we've got U.S. Equity futures gain. I do want to jump into U.S. stock futures rise, treasuries calm. So far, this is very, very, very good start to the week. This is a very good start to April. We do have Fed minutes coming out this week. We do have manufacturing and some trade data coming in this week as well. But let's go ahead and jump on over to the futures or pre-market hours. Yeah, just so you know, at 10 a.m. Eastern time, so in about 4 hours from the time of recording this, we've got durable good orders that'll be reported. And we had an unexpected fall in February. And then at the same time, we'll also have the monthly manufacturers shipments and inventories and orders data. That's been going up 9 months in a row. So we're expecting good news on that 9 months in a row. On durable good orders, it's heavily weighted by cars, or can be when there's a big decline in car orders. That might continue to sink, but if we get positive data there and positive data on monthly manufacturers, shipments, inventories, and orders, it could be another double whammy of good news on top of already good news here from Goldman and on the calm treasuries front. Now, in addition to that, right now we've got Tesla soaring. Tesla's up about 7.3% on beating expectations for obviously deliveries. Deliveries for Q1, which is a slow quarter, short quarter, came in way higher than expected at 184,000 vehicles, which was absolutely incredible. Wall Street estimated 174,000 vehicles. Tesla's numbers tend to be conservative on top of that. So very, very good beat by Tesla, sends huge signals that Tesla is on the path to a very strong, exponential growth curve. And, well, as y'all know, there's a reason I'm 50% in on this stock, as in, like, basically almost all in. Anywho, I want to go ahead and jump on over to what else is happening in the pre-market here, so let's go ahead and pull that up. While I pull that up, I just want to mention that for those of you who are interested in joining me in my private live streams, learning about my insights, how I do fundamental analysis, how I pick my options, we've got new options lectures coming up. Check out the amazing programs linked down below. You won't regret it. You invest one time, you get lifetime access to the content in these programs, folks. Take a look down below. You will not regret it. I am up at 3 a.m. because I live and breathe this stuff. You could see it on my computer at the top right here. It's 3 a.m. Anyway, look at this, folks. Clover. Clover got a beat down by Jim Cramer at the end of last week. People calling in and going, yo, what do you think about Clover? Jim Cramer, no, like Clover. Well, Clover going up 7%, Jim. Look at this W-shaped recovery, though, that we've got on Tesla here. Remember, we drew this W? We had the W side here, up, down, and we drew this W. Look at that respect on that W line. And I didn't redraw that W anyway. You can fact check me by going to my Twitter. That is the same line, and look at those touches. Perfect touch, almost perfect over here, but these two are eerily perfect. So folks, buckle up. Lauren's gonna be looking to write offers on a new house if Tesla taps 750 by the end of April. We made that deal when Tesla was like 630, so we're doing good on that path right now. Knock on wood. Obviously, great news for Tesla. CRISPR Therapeutics up 5%, PaySafe 4.5%, Blink 4%, Roblox finally back over 70 for Roblox. Let's go, come on, now finally, look at the EVs coming up as well. Arcimoto, Neo, Xpeng, Canoe, all three almost 4% up. NGA finally heading back to 20. We've got Tattooed Chef almost at $20. Enphase going back to 170. Churchill lagging the other EV recovery here, sitting at 24.40 in the pre-market. Beyond Meat, Zillow, Peloton up again. We've got Zom is up. Rocket is up. There was talk in Bloomberg this weekend that there might be a rotation away from sort of, excuse me, it's too late. There might be a rotation away. I'm choking myself. Might be a rotation away from momentum stocks or, some of the favorite stocks. But right now we're not seeing that. Oh, wait, no. Okay, hold on. Zom is actually included in one of the momentum stocks per Bloomberg. But take a look at this. After this Bloomberg article right here in pre-market, we've got GameStop down 8.7%. AMC is down 2.7%. And this is pretty early in the pre-market here. So we don't have reporting yet from all stocks in terms of what kind of pre-market action we're seeing. Etsy, pretty flat. Penn National Gaming, 0.5%. Very, very green, though. We are setting up for an amazing start to April here, and I know that technically April already started last week, but let's be real, the first full week of April here. Sundial's actually up almost 1% here, which is very good. Virgin Galactic back over 31. Vuzix is at up 1%. DocuSign, phenomenal company. Gosh, I've been a DocuSign customer for like 12 years. Pinterest up 1.2%. This is looking very good. I have to say, I think the broad message here is that the overall market is really receptive to the idea of, okay, maybe interest rates are priced in now. Maybe we've done our damage. Maybe it's time to go back to normal. But folks, 10% down on GameStop, and this appears to potentially be accelerating. So might not be a good morning for GameStop, at least based on this start here. But it is a good day or a good start for the rest of the market. Almost everything else is green. And again, we don't have data on everything yet, but a very good start. Could be because of that Goldman call. Could be because of more positive data coming out. We've had a lot of negativity over the last 6 weeks. And folks, what did we say when we went into this 6-week cycle? We said, folks, usually these cycles last 6 weeks. Knock on wood that they do. When we went through the first cycle, I said, look, we're technically only 3 weeks into this. Maybe it'll end early, but it could keep going. Obviously, we saw a continued push. Hopefully, this is the end now, though. So good news. Thank you so much for watching this early video, folks. Check out the programs down below. You are not going to regret it. Thank you so much for watching, folks. We'll see you next.